Everyone, this is another access control lab in which user ID controlled by request parameter with data leakage and redirect. So let's solve this and let's get started. So firstly, let's do this let's access the lab. So this is the lab, okay, and let me log out 1 second. For you, this is how it might look. Just a second. Yeah, this is how it will look. And firstly, you need to log in. So we already have a username and a password given over here. So let's type in Veena and Peter and let's log inside. Now every time I log in, I click on my account, you will be able to see some ID parameter. So let me just turn this interceptors on and I'll capture this. Now for this request, I'll show you what is happening. Like if I have this value as, let me send it to repeater, sorry. Yeah, so in repeater, I'll just clear this. Okay, so in repeater, when I'm sending this data, I'm getting a response back that yeah, I can access this. This is my API key, this is my username. Same goes for this. Okay, so I was able to access this. Okay, now every time what we were doing is that we were changing this parameter from Veena to the username so to get the data of Carlos. But what is happening is that it's redirecting you to the login page because you actually you don't have the permission to view the data of Carlos. So this time burp suite actually helps, and this time you need burp suite because when this time rather than Veena you type Carlos and you send it. So what is happening is that even though you get a 302 request, what is 302? 302 is an redirect. So HTTP 302, it's an say found and it's redirect status. That means it's redirecting you. See, it's a common way of performing URL redirection. So it's redirecting you to the login page if you mess up this user ID parameter, anything except the account you're logged in from. So what is happening is that even though it's redirecting you, but the resource which was supposed to come for Carlos is also unfortunately coming back. So you get to see the username Carlos and the API key. So this thing before I actually send this over here and allow it to redirect, I am able to see the response, and this is here, and I can already see the API key, and this API key is quite the answer. So now even let's try Carlos just like this, and as you can see, you don't see anything like a username or password. And even in this data, let's check here, Carlos, see there's no value. It's clearly redirecting you to the login page. So for this we actually need burp suite so that you can interrupt this request and get this value. Okay, and for safety reasons, actually, since if you did not have burp suite, then there is no way you will be able to see this because it's redirecting you. So it looks safe, but it is not. So that's where burp suite is amazing. And I hope you like this video. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.